Tito, you gonna play fireman this morning? Huh? You gonna play fireman this morning? There he goes. He's going to check out the roof this morning. Check out the chimney. See if it's ready for Santa. You going to check out the roof? All right, you check it out and see if everything's all right. See if it's ready for Santa. All right, big boy. Fireman Tito. Yeah, you a big boy. You know it. Okay, you can't stay up there. You got to come back down now. Tito. Come back down. Tito. 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 Have you checked it out yet? Susie, where did Tito go? Fireman Tito. Electra's over at the front door looking out. Come on, Tito.